can get started in the comfort of your kitchen. I was forced to get into small batch brewing because of space limitations with my new house. Maybe you find yourself in the same boat. Maybe you live in a small condo, an apartment. You've always wanted to brew, but you assumed you had to get all this kit. And now you're discovering, no, actually there's ways to start brewing without having to have a massive setup and without too much space. Or maybe you are a happy brewer on a large scale system, but every once in a while you'd love to do a pilot brew. Maybe you're looking to actually see if small batch brewing is more your thing. You know, certainly there are some advantages to going small. I am later in the course going to talk to you about some of the basic gear that I think you need to really make quality beer. So it makes homebrewing much more accessible and you can get started quickly. In terms of which type of beer we're going to brew in this course, we're going to make an American Pale Ale. For me, if you've never brewed a batch of beer before, this is such a user-friendly way to get started. It is a delicious beer. It's very forgiving, especially the amount of hops we're tossing into it. And it's restrained enough where it will at least give you a chance to appreciate the malt profile of your beer. This recipe is a delicious one. I hope you enjoy it, but I hope it serves as a springboard for you brewing a lot more beers. The brewing community is amazing, and honestly, I hope that I can be here available for you in the long term. When I started recording this, it was full. It's now down here. I don't think I'll be going to Hollywood anytime soon.